one of the 7 fundamental quality tools. The Pareto chart is utilized extensively across many sectors to analyze and rank problems and concerns. The Pareto Principle, sometimes known as the 80-20 rule, was developed by Italian economist Vilfredo Pareto when he saw that a sizable part of wealth was held by a tiny fraction of the population. The Pareto chart uses a visual representation of the facts in decreasing order of significance to assist in identifying the most important elements that contribute to an issue or outcome. A bar graph and a line graph are both parts of a Pareto chart. The line graph depicts the overall percentage, while the bar graph shows the rate or number of instances for every group. The following are the steps needed to create a Pareto chart. Determine the cause of concern or problem that has to be tackled in detail. Feedback from clients, production flaws, or any other issue that calls for examination might be the defects. Obtain pertinent information about the issue. Evaluations, previous data, customer reviews, or any additional data source might be used for this purpose. Put the information into groups or elements that affect the issue that are significant. For instance, if the concern is with product flaws, such categories include design faults, errors in production, or material problems. Count the number of times every group has occurred or find its frequency. The number of occasions or instances for each factor might be counted to accomplish this. Determine the overall frequency of occurrences for each category. To achieve this, multiply the result of dividing each category's frequency by all frequencies by 100. Plot the categories of data on the x-axis and the frequencies on the main y-axis to create the chart. To plot the cumulative percentage, include a second y-axis on the right side of the chart. Examine the Pareto chart to determine the crucial few elements that are primarily responsible for the issue. The groups on the chart's left side with the longest bars and steepest line graphs often represent the most important donors. The Pareto chart has a number of advantages for attempts to enhance quality. It aids in concentrating assets and focus on the pressing problems with the biggest effects. Organizations can improve the way they manage their resources to deal with issue roots by ranking the most important variables in priority order. The visual depiction of the chart makes information easier to understand and communicate, which supports data-driven decision-making. Therefore, the Pareto chart, which visually displays data in descending order of significance, is a useful tool for analyzing and prioritizing problems or difficulties. It enables organizations to concentrate their energies on resolving those crucial issues by assisting in the identification of the crucial few components that make up the most to a problem. Organizations may manage resources wisely and make well-informed decisions to increase quality by using the Pareto chart.